morning to all traders and welcome to Markets and Waves, another video today for Wednesday, the 17th of March. In today's analysis, Elliott wave analysis, we're going to have a quick look on pound, the S&P, gold, and also Tesla. Now, starting off with pound, we were talking about this move on the downside for a while. And we're still waiting for a break of the ascending channel in order to start considering that as a quiet medium-term bearish downside move, downside impulse, correct? Now, we could still have that as an ABC, as I said before. Yeah, so just bear that in mind, okay? I've got it labeled as 1-2. This is the most likely scenario that I'm supporting. But it could be an ABC as well. Now, away from that, in the shorter term, what's going on over here? I see an ABC, okay, over here, which means, this is wave A. And over here, I see a double zigzag, okay, which is wave B. So when we've got an A, B with three waves, means that wave C is expected to be a 5-wave move. And most likely is going to be, ending around the previous high or maybe even lower as a flat pattern, as a regular flat pattern. Now, there is a different scenario over here, okay, which we have to also take into account. This has not finished yet, okay, and we're going to have another leg down. We still have the flat pattern respected over here, yeah? So that could turn something like, it could be a triple zigzag over here. And from there, we're going to see a 5-wave move all the way up to 140 or so. Okay, but I'm also seeing a different scenario here, which is the least likely to come through, in my opinion. That this ABC ended up here. Yeah, this is corrective. This is an impulse wave 1. Yeah, this is wave 2, and then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 for 3. Yeah. And we are starting a new internal structure over here, okay? Which means this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 for 3, if this is 1 and 2, okay? But I think this is a bit unlikely, given also the internal, the histogram, bullish signal we see as well. I believe we're going to see a 5-wave impulse on the upside, up to around 140. On the S&P, we finally had the breakout of the previous high, which means now we turn bullish. We can turn bullish. All the signals are bullish. We've had waves 1, 2, 3, 4, and it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 to me, okay? Which means I'm expecting an ending diagonal to finish because it hasn't finished yet, okay? So we did the 100 Fibonacci okay, for wave 3 here. So waves 1 and 3 are the same pretty much, okay? Which means that the 5 wave is the extended one, okay? Now note that wave 3 also has to be not the smallest. So in this case, it is a little bit, it's a tiny bit bigger than wave 1 over here. And then we'll look at this 1, 2, yeah, 3, 4, and I'm expecting a 5. Now, this 5 can go up to 4K perhaps, okay? I don't think we're going to run to the 431, which is the 261 extension, because it looks a bit far for the current structure to reach, okay, as an ending diagonal at least. Now, guys, once we finish this correction, this impulsive move on the upside with the final wave 5 in this blue one, we're most likely going to get a correction in wave 2 and then continue higher for 3, 4, and 5 around the 43.38. Now on gold, gold's also it's got an interesting pattern over here. Here's what I'm looking. I'm looking for another wave up and then a continuation to the downside to end around the 1668 or so, okay? This is where the triple zigzag is going to finish, and then from there we're looking for prices to start moving higher. Now, what do we see in the shorter term? Yeah, I see a clear wave A over here and a clear wave B over here. And over here, I see 1, 2, I see 3, I see 4, and I'm expecting a 5. Okay, which means that we could go up to 70.45, 70.48 to finally take out the 50 Fibonacci retracement of the pink 3 leg on the downside. Okay. We also see a very nice signal on the RSI here and on the MACD, the other way around, but you get the point. So that to me means that most likely we're going to get another leg down. Now, the other scenario is that only we finished down here, and this is 1, and this is ABC, this is ABC, and we're going to get and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 for a flat over here, and then continue higher, which means that we ended down here, okay? Because the truth is, you know, I'm not really sure that I like this structure for a continuation on the upside. It could be a case where this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yeah, internally we've got 1. We're going to get 2, 3, 4, and 5. But I'm not sure that, you know, I'm going to consider gold, especially with those volumes reversing on the upside. On these volumes, the structure looks okay-ish, but if we look at the medium-term structure, another leg down can be expected. And Tesla, guys, well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, clear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think we're going to get a 5. That's going to be the A. We're going to get the B. We're going to get the C for wave B, yeah? And then continue down with a 5-wave impulse again to take out minor wave C. So what I'm saying is that I'm expecting A, B, and C for wave B, okay? The other scenario, of course, is that this is A, B, and C. Yeah, we ended B up here, and this is 1 and 2, and we'll go 3, 4, and 5, which I doubt, but it's possible. Or the least likely scenario, at least in my opinion, A, B, C, W, X, A, B, C, Y. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will continue higher, okay, which means that we ended the correction down here with a double 3. Okay, so guys, this will be all for the day. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you know, show your appreciation with a like, leave your comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching, and we'll speak again tomorrow.